You're watching Station 22. From 8 to 11 p.m., Nature of America. After that, we are ending our daily regular programming.
This is not a test. This is not a test. The United States Civil Defense has detected an abnormal creature wandering the states of California, Nevada, Oregon, and Arizona. This dark creature presents unique traits such as extreme aggression, a height of 8 feet, and a drastic high speed. No further information was received. Seek immediate shelter. For the safety of our citizens, your shelter must follow these characteristics. It must be a dark place. Avoid any direct contact with light. It must be free of any noises. This creature appears to have a highly developed sense of hearing. All doors or any entrance must be closed. Shelters must be also located underground to avoid detection. Good luck to everyone. Station 22 on the American Public Television stations always with you and for the safety of American citizens. The United States government has created the Survivors Community against emergencies that seeks people in danger due to the Intruder incident. The United States Central Intelligence Agency is currently researching the location of this mysterious creature. This organization has set up local hospitals and camps for the affected states. It has been detected that this creature has killed approximately 240,000 people in almost 11 states, in which 7 of them now are being affected by the intruder. If you are within these states, remember to close your doors and windows, seek an underground shelter, and turn off all lights. Turn on your radios in case of water or power outage.